Yes.
Hi, Judge. On Sidney Robinson, he is set for bond forfeiture today. It was a case where he has a charge here and a fugitive case. He was extradited. We reset it today for me to see if I can track him down, and I did.
Oh, great.
I know.
So what happened?
Well, I can confirm as of last night at 5 p.m., he is in the Adams County Jail with a discharge date of April 5th. I've been in contact with his mother, who confirmed as much. He pled in Adams County, so he's just serving out a sentence.
Hey.
So
Hey, I'm happy that you're able to get that kind of information. We'll give you time.
So when would you like to set it? April 5th is when he gets out in Colorado.
Does he live here or does he live over there? Do you know?
I hold on. I do know.
I think he lives here, right?
He lives here. He lives here. The probation was transferred to Texas.
So let's set it for a week
After April 5th?
discharge date.
Okay,
Setting it for bond for.
great. Yes.
Get everything done. And then after that, it's still not going to be old, right? We'll still at that point be
No, it's January 11th, so it would be,
80, 90 days old. So after that point, now that I know that I have hands on him, I'll waive your appearance after that.
okay,
So-
great. And we are still waiting on evidence on it too.
I got it. So let's SFBF. The next setting, he's got to be here. After that, we'll wait.
And then Arenas is a new case I got. She just got taken in on a felony warrant, so I'm assuming you don't need any conditions. It's a tampering license plate.
The only one I did was just no driving without, a license and insurance. And he said that she had a valid license. So.
Sure. Okay, thanks.
Thanks.
I'm more important than this.
Yes. She said that she wanted all of the counties to be outstanding today. Right now.
That's what we should
Matt Pro Judge? Good morning, Judge.
How are you?
I'm here in Orellana, Carranza.
There or there?
He was in custody, he bonded out.
Great.
I know there was an immigration hold, detainer. It was never lifted, but he's out. I don't know where he is.
Oh, he's not here.
Not here.
That's no bueno.
I know. I didn't even know he had bonded out until about a week, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. Tell everybody that
Yeah,
on out, you got to be here.
I tell him the same thing.
So let's do this. I'll give you till Monday. I'll SFBF Monday. Do what you can to reach out,
Yeah, send him a
family
letter
or whoever.
today.
If they're not here Monday,
I know. And he possibly, he's at immigration, possibly get deported, so I don't know.
oh,
There's a possibility, because the immigration detainer doesn't say hold lifted. It says a hold, but it was never lifted. Then when you check the record, it says he bonded out. So I don't know how that was possible for him to bond out.
when you look on the master docket though, won't it say whether they get deported or not? You know? Who's Eric,
Last time I had somebody that did immigration.
you do a little bit of immigration, right?
I used to use this.
So if you have someone that goes to immigration from here, now Tony doesn't know if they got released or they got deported. When you look on the master docket, you know how you pull up the master docket, they'll say that they're at the Greens Road or wherever they are. Will it say whether they got deported
No,
or
but you
not?
can call the 1-800 number. So if you look up the
Immigration?
1-800 status number,
Look,
and then, no, it's an automated number. And you just type in the A number, and then it just tells you, it's an audio report, and it'll say
A number
the
is the alien
judge,
number.
right, and it'll say the judge ordered
A number, I can
removal.
get it.
Yeah, I need the alien number.
Hold on.
And it'll be, the A number will be, did he have an ICE hold?
Yeah, the household.
So if you go to the,
Just need to know the-
so if you go to the district clerk side and you click on holds, the A number will be there.
District clerk here or the
Mhm. Yeah,
district clerk
the-
in the feds?
No, here.
Do you need the country of origin too?
No, you just need the A number. And with that, you can type in the A number on the automated number, and it'll tell you what's the last thing that happened in immigration court. It'll either say removed, deported, or it'll say there's a new master scheduled on whatever date.
I'll give him another date.
Mhm.
Tony, I'm printing this out for you. It's, I think one of those should be the A number, where it says the warrant number, and then we'll put it on for Monday and you let me know.
Okay, well, good, thank you.
Yes, thanks. Hey,
So good news, Meyer's been approved.
okay.
Guilty. We're ready whenever you are.
Oh, okay. You ready?
Yes.
Timothy Meyer, come up. All right. Mr. Meyer, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 5 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge is going to go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You get pulled over in a car, all officers do is they look at your record and then they look at you. If they smell alcohol and they see that you have a prior to DWI, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? So if you're going to drink, you can have, well, I don't care. Just, you need to understand this, man, because you still have the next 40 years that you could potentially be driving. And the law, they don't give a rat's behind about them. All they care about is whether you have a prior, you smell like dope or alcohol now, they're going to take you in. You also have to understand from now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. It will go on your record forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the office of driving while intoxicated?
Guilty, sir.
I'm going to find you guilty. Tell me why it got so old again. Do you know?
I don't, Judge. I mean, he lives in New Mexico, so I'm not really sure how this came to be. Were you just in New Mexico the whole time? or what?
No, I was here for over a year, and it happened during the height of COVID. It just took a couple years to even go to trial.
Come to court. Good things happen. You know, really. So when you pick up future criminal cases, come to court. Now, I don't know if you have any prior DWIs, but you got to understand the third DWI, because if you have a prior DWI, this one now makes 2. A third, you're looking at a felony charge, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. So you got to be very careful if you have any priors. Do you understand? Okay, guys. Good luck. I'm going to run at CC.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, one more thing. I have to suspend your license. I'm going to do it for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. All right? Okay, guys. Run at CC every 12 minutes.
And Judge, on your jail docket, Lopez Jacinto, he's going to waive the fugitive. So we'll wait for the interpreter to get here. Then we'll bring him up.
We'll bring him up. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Eric, thanks for helping him out.
Yes, sir. I have it's Jaramillo Jimenez on the docket.
Okay.
This is kind of an interesting situation because I believe he was in immigration as well. And his,
Someone else that's representing.
right.
Okay.
So his family hired me in December. I filed an attorney of record. I filed a motion to sub, and I came to court, but I guess I was never attached on it. And once he got out of immigration, he basically told the family, well, y'all picked Eric and I didn't pick him. I had picked another attorney. So I'm fine with the other attorney on it because he's still filing stuff on the case. He's still making appearances for him. I just need to make sure I don't need to file a motion to withdraw because technically I was never attached.
Do we know if Mr. Landrio is going to be here today?
saw that he filed like a discovery motion recently, so I'm assuming he is.
Jaramillo. Give me a second. Let me call him real quick, just to make sure. So you're right. It looks like he filed a motion for discovery on January 6th. I guess we'll wait for him,
Okay.
see if he shows.
Yeah, either way, he told me a couple of days ago that he does not want me to be his lawyer.
Okay, then yeah.
I just need
He
to
hears.
I'm sure I've never met him.
Jaramillo Jimenez.
Counsel's here, Judge.
Okay,
Yeah, bro.
yeah. So you're here for Chilandrio, right?
Yes, Your Honor, that's my law partner.
Right. Okay, so you're here with it because Eric initially was hired by the family, but I guess the defendant is saying that he wants you guys to represent him.
Yes,
So
Your Honor.
you're not, I don't do anything. I
Right.
don't think you need to file a motion to,
Because I filed a motion to sub and an attorney record in December.
just, we'll disregard it.
Okay.
And we'll just keep you on it and then whatever you guys need.
Was hired in November, so it supersedes, Eric's attorney record.
Yeah, we'll just keep everything. Yeah. Okay, you're good. Don't worry about it. You're good. Okay, thanks, Eric. Hey. Hi, Bayuji. What's going on with you?
I am approaching on behalf of Mr. Shegun Bada. Good news, he did pay he's on Zoom waiting in the waiting room. He did pay the $840. I was told by Victoria that he's been extended for 90 days.
So now we just play the waiting game. You're
Yes,
good
he
for
just
90
has to do his part, which would be,
Remain in compliance with the device and stay out of trouble, but you guys made his big.
Great. So I'm not gonna need to see him. You can talk to him
Okay.
and just let him know, hey, just be good for 90 days. Any more issues?
as far as a reset, do you want to do it like you did the last time, or like a check point?
Check in, make
Okay.
sure, yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Bayuji. Frank.
I'm approaching on Noel Castillo or Garcia Castillo is his last.
Okay.
So everything's complete. They gave me a new offer yesterday that kind of upped it.
Hey, it got worse.
Yes, I do believe there's some issues here that are not, anyway, I'd like to just set up.
Okay,
Yes.
sure.
Do I get the trial date from her or?
From Arani.
Okay.
She's in back.
Do I go through? Okay, thank you.
Right, they were supposed to come back because there was a snafu of some sort. Okay. That's okay. It's just as good. Right, that's okay. It's if they get sworn elsewhere, as long as it's a true notary, then it's just as good as swearing here. So just please, are you here for that case?
Yes.
Just please admonish the defendant accordingly that if we catch him driving, it's really not going to go well.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you so much. This is why I was a little. So if you want to sign.
That's a problem.
Yeah, yeah. More time to do this class? Okay. I'll start the 18th or the 20th. 25 or 20. Council for reset. We still need to go.
Get the tax.
I got a couple.
Thank you.
J-I-N-E. Parents as well.
Yes, I think, I didn't realize that you were attorney on.
You said J.I.?
About subbing in for.
Oh, oh, yes, yes. And it is discovery.
Yes, ma'am, but there's no, I think you can pay delivery. Good, I can find that.
Is it possible? Okay, so
Oh, no, there's no future things.
okay, 12, March 12.
Parents later. That's when we get.
No, I wanted it.
So it looks like our troubleshooting doing the deputy.
Yeah, let's do it.
And I have a question. Why did I get a fugitive? Why did I get a fugitive? I don't ever do those.
If you're not on the list, you can't do fugitives then. If you're not on if you're not on the fugitive list, then you can't do it then.
That's why I don't want to. He's gonna wait.
I don't know.
Still do that?
No, you can't represent him. I don't know why you got appointed.
I didn't understand that from the get-go.
You have to be, there's special training that you go through to be on the fugitive list.
Oh, okay.
And if you've not done that, then you can't do it. He can't do it.
Okay, so then I'll have to
You're gonna have to reappoint someone else.
Just,
Who was the defendant?
Who is it?
Lopez,
Lopez Jacinto?
Jacinto.
He's not on a list to do fugitive cases.
Yeah, I think.
I can reappoint.
Please. Hey, you,
Okay, I'll-
I have Timothy Smart. He was on,
okay.
and I've not been able to get in contact with him. Yeah.
I got it.
Can I file for, I was gonna file a motion to withdraw on it.
Yeah, I'll revoke it now.
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
God, this is,
All PTI, and I think he's supposed to go check in, just got everything set up, and then
I'm putting his bond at 15,004. That's how many times it's even more than that. Okay, yeah, file it. Just, we'll take you off.
thank you.
Judge, was this off docket? Ms. Corey Bob, the attorney of the. I do.
We said new. Or favor.
You don't want.
Council for reset.
Shane,
Hi, Judge. We're here on Mr. Shorts.
short,
Yes, King Shorts.
15,004 on,
Um, just, I guess, set it for trial. Do you?
30 days.
30 days?
Yeah, no more. The case is 1,500 days old, so it's
It's just a little bit old, Judge, like 4
So-
years.
like 30, that's it, and it's prep set.
Prep set, okay, just get a date from, okay.
What about March 18th?
Yeah, I like that. Thank you, Ramona.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 5/7 is 3/7 or?
5 seconds was a piece of
So what's the,
Who? Billy DeBear.
so.
On this one, no driving with me? He's not here today, right?
Yeah.
Because there was a case that we finished last week, where there was a plea, or earlier this week, on Gracia. I can give you the case number. It's 253-8896.
253-8896.
So I filed a motion to return a weapon, but to me, not to the defendant. I spoke to the state. They were.
As long as it's going to you, I'm okay. It's not going to go to him?
It's not coming in, and that's clear on the order as well.
Done.
All right, thank you, Judge. That way I can get a certified. Clerk's office. Where's your new paper?
Yeah, signs it. Yeah.
Judge, is there any sign for the papers?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What did you say they need to send?
Sorry, I'm reading an interesting case and it kind of like.
Case one?
Yeah, it's a case where a guy has an offer of a felony case. It's a felony assault of a peace officer, has 2 WIs down here. And so they had an agreement where they were going to dismiss the felony in exchange for a plea on these 2 cases down here. So they ended up dismissing the felony, and then something happened where they ended up dismissing these 2 cases. But then they ended up refiling the felony after the fact. So the lawyers filed an appeal. They want a specific performance of the agreement, but there never was an agreement. Because when you enter into a plea bargain agreement, it's a contract between them, you, and we have to accept it. If we don't accept it, it's not an enforceable agreement. And so because those ended up getting dismissed, it never reached it.
Never reached the judge.
Yeah. So,
It's interesting.
yeah,
You had a similar situation?
they were trying to enforce it but it never got agreed to.
That's great. See if it's a cute, we may have filed this, not very.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Judge. See you later.
Okay, see you, Eric.
See, Judge, how you doing?
Oh, hey, Joe, what's up, man?
This is a dismissal.
Yay, finally something good.
I wanted to brag on myself. Sorry to interrupt you there.
Joe, you're the best.
You always seem in some pretty bad situations.
No, not always, no. You know.
Thank you, Judge.
Good job.
Nice seeing you.
You too.
Council for reset.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay. You too. Yeah.
Has he trained coach you sliding? Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Gilbert.
Hi, Judge. How you doing?
What's up, man?
Just running around like always, recovering from a 6-day trial. It's been a while since I put my brain through all that effort.
Wow. What were you trying?
We're trying to sexual assault case, assaulting one former spurned lover that suddenly accuses the ex-lover of
That's a lot of baggage, man.
rape. Just caught too many inconsistencies. The jury ended up finding her not guilty on both counts. That wasn't very.
Wow.
I thought the guy was crazy for risking. They offered him a misdemeanor, family injury, bodily assault, 2-year deferred. I said, take it, man. Don't risk the conviction and the registration requirement. It's a good deal. Take it. This is a secure thing for you to go. You may be deported at the end of it.
That takes a lot of chutzpah right there. To go with it, that just unbelievable. What an offer.
Because he had betrayed his wife. It was the wife at the end said, you didn't do anything. You need to go to trial. And I said, don't let your wife decide that. You may. Oh, that's an interesting.
Whoa.
Jail.
That's that takes a lot of,
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I was worried about him, but,
well, you did it though. You did, good job. You did it,
I felt, I'm 69. Let's just say I felt the wear and tear of being in trial for a week and stuff. You really see the difference like when you're young.
Oh, yeah.
And you can try them, like, I used to try them back to back. I said, not anymore. Those years have accumulated on. I was surprised that the jurors liked me enough. I think they were feeling sorry for the old man representing.
Whatever. What do you want to do with our case? It's old.
I have Angel de Leon.
Yeah.
We're trying to finalize, see if it affects the plea agreement. They're looking at the restitution amount and see if we pay enough of it, the offer may go down. So that's where we are right now.
So where are you? How many times have you ripped it, Alex?
Still trying to check. Looks like we completed a rip. It's been a while, Your Honor. It was back in July, so we'd have to reach out again just to.
It was a total loss of a car, is what I'm gathering. So we're trying to find out.
Right, we have to confirm the amount, so we have to reach out, and we can reach out today and we can see.
Please, it's old, it's time, so.
Anything, we have time, I can step out and see if I can get.
No, don't, because he's got stuff he needs to do, so we'll set you off for a week.
Yes, Judge.
Please get the stuff done.
Yes, Judge.
All right, okay.
So find out if they have insurance or not, and if there's a deductible, what that was. And if they didn't have it, what's the total value of the car, and then we'll see what we're at.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, man.
Good seeing you.
You too, take care.
Much time, Judge?
Just a week for them to get the restitution amount.
That is friends.
Okay. All right.
Right, they'll have to be mentioned. I'm gonna run to 4 days and I'll do it. Did you have too many times so can try to be show? Oh, I got to put all. Yeah, it's. These call the. Saying that it's a culture of this chance. Yeah, he's correct. When I get done, they're gonna find it's faster, but it's not as bad as fun. But we're sure.
So long as you were charged with driving while intoxicated, you were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. Officers were dispatched to a possible intoxicated driver call, and a witness stated he observed the defendant go in and out of lanes as well as make a U-turn on Highway 59 going against traffic. The officers conducted a traffic stop and observed the defendant to have glossy eyes, slurred speech, strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, poor balance, and a quarter full cold beer. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 7 out of 8, one leg stand 4 out of 4. The defendant contended a breath, and the results were 0.15.
Any pride to be eyes?
No, Your Honor. And I ran his license one moment. Eligible, Your Honor.
Okay, you're alleging that he had alcohol in the car, correct?
Yes,
Well,
Judge.
okay. I'm now ordering you not to drive, Mr. Laws. I'm also your case is 1,220 days old. I'm now putting an ankle monitor on you as well. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you take off on me again, I'm going to make your bond extremely high. No more PR bonds for you. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I'm going to revoke your bond and put you in jail. Can you please appoint him a lawyer? I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'm going to have you swear to us that you're not going to drive, Mr. Laws. Do not drive. Do you understand? I'm going to have you swear to us, and then I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box while we find you a lawyer, sir.
Quick this way. Oh.
Isaac?
Raise your hand. Is your name Brian?
Yes.
Yes. Tom,
Shout out to Isaac.
I will not drive when I'm driving. Yes.
You didn't sign it.
I didn't sign it. There you go.
I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
Hey, you want to go through the list?
We still have a whole bunch of.
What?
Have you heard from Timberlake?
What page is that?
Page 19.
Did the defendant check in?
Yes.
Okay. Who else?
Carolyn. Okafor.
She was here-
Page 21.
she was here
Yeah, I just
earlier.
saw her. Kim, it was supposed to be at a PC hearing today. She'll go to later, I just saw the, I didn't see her Dropbox. Judge, page 18. Jacobo.
Okay. Where's Mr. Jacobo?
Checked in.
Okay.
I was waiting for his bond paperwork to get in.
He's supposed to be here today though, right?
Oh, his bond paperwork says 2/12, so skip that one.
But what about the DWI?
The DWI is the one he bonded out on. And his bond paperwork says February 12th.
Right, but on the DWI, he's supposed to be here today.
No, Judge, that's why he's on docket today. He was in custody, and so I rolled it. And today he populated on the bond docket, but his bond paperwork said February 12th. So
Okay.
he just got out.
SFBF, both of them.
Hello. All right, how are you?
Well, good to see you. Nick, it's Virginia.
Those bond conditions on Proctor, can I delete those or what are we doing with those?
The ones that say hold?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know because this said that they wanted to approach on someone with no contact for his previous case. And those were filed by the state, but I just wanted to not post them just in case there was something I needed to add. But.
Yeah, it's just no contact, no weapons, and then the driving.
Yeah, those are already filed on the other one. But I thought he was gonna change something, so I just held it, but I think he left, so we can go through with it.
Good. I can sign it, right?
Yeah, you can sign it, and I'll take off the note. The DOA.
So you did DC this for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Back to all of us out. Got one job. Stole hard line.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's how it gets for the today. So that's a big. I need to promise. I just thought this is what I wanted to choose.
I can initial. Didn't initially spies.
I thought you put signed it.
He signed it, just didn't initial some individual.
It's one of my side. I don't know the responsibility.
He signed it. So is it 2 hours?
Well, 60 days?
Well, I mean, he has credit for.
You got it?
Yeah.
Is it, this a first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does he, any prior DWIs or?
No, he's going ice. I think
Yeah.
whoever
Okay.
did it just calculated how many, I mean, I can find it, taking it down, it just.
No. It is what it is. It's really, it's not a. Mr. Vasquez, good morning.
Señor Vázquez, buenos días.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 60 days in jail with credit for the 20 days that you've done.
¿Qué ha servido?
You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You ever get pulled over again, an officer's going to see this. If they roll up to your car and they smell alcohol on you, it's probably not going to go very well for you.
Va a ir muy bien.
From now on, you're faced with a minimum of 30 days in jail.
30 días de cárcel.
You understand?
¿Usted lo entiende? Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Is this what you want to do?
¿Usted desea hacer? Yes. ¿Desea que
Without opposition, the state.
Sí, que
You
supongo
raise
que
a good
Estado.
point. I don't know what's gonna happen. in
Yo no sé lo que va a pasar.
We reduce it down to
Podemos
60 to 30.
reducir de 60 a 30 días.
You have to discuss that with
Y se
chief.
tiene que hablar con.
And we'd have to refile all the documents.
That's why I added
Si
that.
no pueden marcarlo y poner un inicial. Dice, él está, le dieron 20 por
And I
60.
was just thinking, the judge
Y
brought
estoy
up a good point.
pensando,
I don't know what's gonna happen in
no,
immigration.
no sabemos lo que
I'd like
pasa
for
en
it to say
inmigración.
30,
Quiero que
if it's
indique
at all
30,
possible.
si una
Dispersion.
posibilidad suprimir.
Below point 15.
Y sobre punto
Vázquez.
5, el apellido es de Vázquez.
How do you plead to the
¿Cómo se declara la ofensa de
intoxicated?
conducir
Guilty,
a
not guilty.
¿Culpable o no culpable? Guilty.
I'm going to find
Voy a ir
you.
a lo culpable.
I'm going to suspend your ability to drive for 90 days.
De conducir.
Do not drive until you get a license.
Tengo una licencia de conducir. Okay, so
We wrote it like that because he's got 20 days credit.
It's up to you guys. It doesn't matter. It's, we're, okay. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Thanks.
Señor.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
We want to make it 30 points instead.
No, I mean, we gotta do what the paperwork says. It can't just deviate, you know? I mean, if they want to refile it, they can refile it, but had two different, you know,
I hear you.
yeah. So Timberly, where are we going with your case? Because it's old. What's your guy's name again?
I have two, Your Honor. I have Kendrick Daly, and I was it the parents' wages for now?
So Daly is number one? So it doesn't matter, that's not an old case?
Okay, yes, sir, but she just offered a PTI on it anyway.
Okay,
So
still on
I'm
the
gonna,
heading?
yes, sir. And then on Mr. Johnson, there's a new policy. We were supposed to do a PTI packet, which we did. And there's a new policy that the chief nor I knew about that they just emailed yesterday and said, we have to do an application now. So they just looked it up in the
There's always been an
notes.
application that's due.
I didn't know, but they said something about a new policy and then they have to get this application notarized. I don't know.
So you haven't done that yet?
Well, no, well, we sent it to him last night.
Yeah, but-
So, Mr., did you bring the application we sent you?
Yes.
Okay, so he has it today.
So what we'll do is we'll set you off a week
Yes, sir.
to see about the approval or denial.
Yes,
And we'll
sir.
go from there. If it's denied,
Someone just come back and handle it. It's no biggie.
okay.
I got it, Judge. I promise.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, a week on that case, Vic.
I heard him say one.
A week on Johnson, where's that?
All right, one week.
CW, which is not actually.
I got seen.
Can you sign more time?
Yes, I can just get it.
Was it, I think more Monday.
Heard of.
What, are you talking to me?
13th is my birthday, and that's gonna be the only case I'm coming down here for, but I wanna
Well,
handle it.
I mean, a couple days before, I don't care.
Okay,
Just a
thank you.
week-ish.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
The 17th?
Come on, yeah, let's do it. Hey, good morning, Ms. Ortega. Ma'am, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 1 year in jail. This is so weird. It doesn't say that.
I know.
Doing a.
The heck is this?
I
Alex, how's this, who filed this?
I do not know. Who is the cause?
Is it just says 1 year death.
Your Honor, if I can have the cause of record look.
I can refile, Judge.
Yeah, so because
Oh, that's not bad.
we really don't know, is this a deferred?
Yeah, Judge, I'll do it really quickly. It should be done in the next.
We'll still do it and then can file everything later. So we're doing a 1 year deferred though?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Ms. Ortega, you need to understand that you're entering into a deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation that if you complete it successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record, but you can't tell people it was dismissed. You get into a deferred, if you complete it successfully, there's no conviction on your record. You understand the difference? You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are entering into a contract. You either successfully complete the contract or you get revoked. If you do something to violate this agreement, I'm going to arrest you, put you in jail. I'm going to bring you back out in Orange. And the only thing we're going to talk about is if you violated the probation. None of that, whether you're guilty or not guilty, none of that matters. The only thing that matters is if you violated this agreement. For you to complete it successfully, you must complete a Thinking for a Change class. Guys, which Thinking for a Change do you want on Ortega? It's 4, right? It's 4 hours. It's a 4-hour Thinking for a Change class. You must do a 2-hour anger management class. No drugs, no alcohol. You must also do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. No threatening, harassing, or abusive contact with a Derek Michael Waters, Alondra Georgina Mendoza. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Yes.
I will make you a deal. If you do well, if you're nice to everybody, and you do your classes quick, I'll take you off in half the time. You can be done in 6 months if you really kick butt and just be nice to everybody and don't use. Don't test positive for dope, alcohol. I'm not asking for much. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not gonna find you guilty. I'll withhold that for a year. But like I said, get everything done quick. We'll take you off quick. What do you do for a living?
Oncology and radiology doctor.
Okay. Do you have any children? Okay, you can reduce it. All right, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Thank you, Katia.
And Judge, I also have, Ms. Uceda on the docket.
You say that. Okay.
We're waiting on a competency evaluation on her.
How long have we been waiting?
December, I think December 9th.
Still don't have it? That's really wrong. So, is she here?
She's here, Judge.
Why don't we give it a, where are we going anyways? Do you know?
We're trying to do some sort of informal PTI because of the mental health. There's
Have
an
you spoken to
offer.
Brad Morris about this yet?
Say it.
Have you spoken to Brad Morris about this yet?
I haven't, but I can.
Reach out to him
Okay.
and see if they're even amenable to it.
Mostly like felonies, but he's talked to me about misdemeanors before, so I can reach out to him.
Well, we see who if it's not him, who's the point of contact that we can actually get through. So for mental health purposes.
I don't think there's one that for misdemeanors. My last conversation with Brad, but he said he's happy to help me if I ever have a misdemeanor
Okay.
case that he can take a look at. So I'll definitely do that. Jeff.
And let's set it off a week. I don't want to wait long anymore. You know, we should have gotten it by now. I don't understand why it's taking so long. And then if it's not here next week, I'm going to start reaching out to people then. All right? Okay.
Last one I needed to approach for you was Jada Davis. We have submitted an application for consideration of the pretrial intervention. She's going to pay to do her TRAS.
Well, wait a second. Do you want to wait first?
Davis,
You think that she's going to 100% get entry?
she will get it.
Is there a blood test or breath test?
It's blood point. Ooh, let me look. She's eligible for sure.
I've seen more denials now. That's why I'm saying I would hate for her to have to pay for it and then get denied.
Makes sense. I'm pretty sure she flies under the radar as far as getting approved. Let me look and see.
Felicia, he still has a curfew. I did not take the curfew off.
Signing the contract. I've already signed it. It's already going through.
They were found in the supervision order today?
Kelsey just signed it. It shall be coming through.
Okay.
I got the email. It's happening. I wouldn't let that happen.
I'll talk to the DAs and see where they are with the application, because I sent it to them end of January 27th, so they should, I'll reach out to them and see what they say.
For a couple weeks?
That's fine, Judge. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Katie.
If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest courtroom hearings, legal updates, and case analysis.